Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best plastic lacing cord is probably one of the most versatile materials for crafting enthusiasts. Its durability and flexibility make it perfect for a wide range of projects, from intricate jewelry to outdoor gear. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of plastic lacing cord, exploring its various uses, and helping you choose the perfect cord for your next creative endeavor. Get ready to discover why this simple material is a must-have for any crafter. Number 5. Juvale 10-Color Lanyard String Kit. Looking for a fun and creative activity? This kit is perfect for making bracelets, keychains, and more. It's a great way to express yourself and create unique accessories. This kit comes with 10 assorted colors, including red, orange, and blue. The variety allows you to create fun and unique color combinations for all your projects. The lanyard string is made from a durable plastic material that is soft and smooth. It's easy to work with, making it ideal for both kids and adults. Each spool of this plastic string is 50 yards long, providing plenty of material for a variety of projects. The size is convenient for creating various crafts. Use this string for a variety of arts and crafts projects. You can make bookmakers, coasters, and even 3D shapes. It's great for classroom activities and creative fun. What we like? This kit offers a vibrant palette with its 10 assorted colors, perfect for diverse projects. The durable material ensures your creations last, and the convenient size provides ample material for various crafts. If you're looking for a wide variety of colors to spark creativity in your projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say? The colors are vibrant and the cord is easy to work with. The cord is strong and durable, making it perfect for various crafting projects. I used this to make keychains and bracelets, and it worked perfectly. Number 4. ACRSIKR Gimp Plastic Lacing Cord Craft Kit. Remember those fun crafts from your childhood? This kit brings back those memories. It's a simple, yet enjoyable activity for everyone. With plenty of material, it's ideal for crafting with friends or family. This is a great way to enjoy some quality time together. The vibrant colors make it a wonderful gift. It's a great way to spark creativity and bring joy to anyone who receives it. The package includes 20 assorted bright colors of plastic lacing cords, along with rings and clips. Everything you need to get started is right here. Each cord is 0.1 inch wide and 16.4 feet long. The keychain ring clip is 1 inch in diameter, and the snap clip hook is also 1 inch. We offer a lifetime warranty on this product. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll solve your problem within 24 hours. What we like? With 20 vibrant colors, this kit brings back childhood memories with its fun and simple craft. It includes essential accessories like rings and clips, making it immediately usable. Moreover, the lifetime warranty offers peace of mind. If you value a comprehensive kit with a guarantee, this one is for you. What people say? You get lots of colors and they give you keychain clasps to sport all your new creations. She loved the variety of colors. It was easy for her to work with. The lengths and quantity matched the description. Number 3. 31-Color Lanyard String Kit. This lanyard string kit is perfect for creating colorful friendship bracelets, keychains, and more. It's designed for both kids and adults, making it a fun craft for everyone. The kit includes 31 bright, rainbow-colored strings. You'll have a wide variety of shades to create unique color combinations for your projects. The strings are made from soft and smooth plastic, making them easy to handle. This versatile kit is perfect for jewelry making and various crafts. The flat shape of the string is ideal for custom creations. Each roll is 40 feet long, and the kit provides a total of 1,209 feet of string. This kit includes 31 plastic strings, 15 keychain rings, and 15 lanyard hooks. It has everything you need to start making your own lanyards and keychains. What we like? This kit boasts an impressive 31 bright colors, offering a wide spectrum for your creations. Its versatile nature makes it suitable for various projects, and the flat-shaped design adds a unique touch. If you enjoy a wide range of colors and unique designs, you'll love this kit. What people say? Great variety of color, durability, and amount. The thickness is great, they haven't broke on me when tightening it up. We have made so many and have enjoyed the variety of colors. Number 2. Pepperell RX 153 Rexlace Lacing Cord. This amazing kit comes with everything you need to start crafting. It includes a generous amount of colorful lacing cord, perfect for various projects. Inside, you'll find a whopping 450 feet of Rexlace in 13 vibrant colors. It's enough to create countless designs and patterns. The package also includes 2 keychain rings, 6 lanyard hooks, and an easy gimper. These accessories make it easy to create keychains, lanyards, and more. This is a great craft for kids and adults alike. The included tools make it easy to get started and create fun projects. This kit is recommended for children ages 6 and up. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and develop fine motor skills. What we like. This product provides an impressive 450 feet of Rexlace in 13 colors, ensuring you have plenty of material. It includes essential accessories like keychain rings and lanyard hooks. If you need a large quantity of material with a variety of colors, this is an excellent option. What people say. The string is strong and really good quality, can't beat Rexlace. The cord is excellent quality, robust and solid. The variety of colors and length of cord in this kit provides opportunity for several projects. There's a nice variety of colors in this pack, including 2 whites and 2 blacks. The extra basic colors are nice, as those tend to get used much more often. Number 1. Cridoz Boondoggle String Kit. Are you ready to create something amazing? This kit is perfect for crafting colorful lanyards and more. It's a fun and easy way to express yourself. This kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a variety of vibrant strings. It's great for both beginners and experienced crafters. The strings are easy to work with. You can create unique designs. It's a great activity for all ages. Use this kit to make personalized lanyards. The possibilities are endless. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your belongings. Don't miss out on the fun. Get your kit today and start creating. It's the perfect gift for any craft enthusiast. What we like. This kit provides a variety of colors, making it easy to create beautiful crafts. It is easy to use, making it suitable for all ages. If you are looking for a simple and versatile kit, this is a great choice. What people say. Love the color variety, string is good quality, and the addition of key rings and little clips is such an awesome idea. My daughter makes all sorts of bracelets and this set has lasted her a while. The quality of the lanyard material is strong. This is a great kit for a variety of ages. They loved all the colors it came with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.